How much is food grade CO2? Good question, and it actually depends on multiple factors. The quantity that you're getting, the type of vessel or CO2 tank that it's going to be delivered in, whether you have an account with the gas company, how much CO2 that you order, again, back to quantity, and of course, where at in the country that you are, okay? Because inner parts of the country, they have to have trucks that take it out there. It gets more inclusive, there's more processing on that end. Now in general, food grade CO2 does cost more than commercial grade or industrial grade because it goes through some more processing. It has less impurities. We have a whole nother video just on that. Link in the description. If it's not there, we have the video on our channel. I guarantee, just go watch it, please. Because that way it explains the differences here in general between commercial or industrial grade, which is like welding CO2. And then you have your food grade for like food, breweries, things like that. And then you have your medical grade for medical applications. But there is a difference. The higher the grade, generally the higher the cost, okay? And also because there's processing, there's handling, there needs to be trackment on what's going on with it, who touched it, what happened to it, where, when, all that has to be verified the higher the grade level is in general. So when you're asking how much is food grade CO2, really that's an open-ended question, because if you have an account with a company, you're gonna probably get it for cheaper. If you order gas in bulk, you're gonna get it cheaper. If you come to us instead of going to somewhere else like Praxair or Airgas, you're gonna get it cheaper. You know, some of those things like Airgas CO2 refill, Praxair CO2 exchange, and does Praxair fill CO2 tanks? Those are all questions and queries that come online. Yes, they do, but you gotta have an account. And sometimes they're gonna charge you a lot for an account. Sometimes they're going to want to make sure that you have a hefty deposit on file. Well, we require deposit too, but we make it a lot easier, okay? Trust me on this as well when I say this. The rental of the tanks is going to eat you alive. I can tell you because we do thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars in gas, and that is the biggest problem, is the rental of the tanks. So yes, the gas may be cheaper, but you got the rental invoice that trails that makes it not cheaper. So when you're price shopping, take this in mind, okay? Take this into consideration. Go with us, link in the description, cryofx.com/gas. We offer a full service. We could do delivery, we could do pickup, we do all that, okay? Now, case in point, yes, we do other services, and we do offer CO2 through other vendors, but because we do so much, we bring it to you for cheaper. Isn't that always the case? Amazon does more shipping, so that gets it for cheaper, hence why they offer free shipping. That's the general telltale of all better businesses and higher businesses that do more volume, is a cheaper amount, which the savings are passed on to you. Therefore, go to the link, get a quote. We offer a one-stop shop. That means if you want to pick it up or you want it delivered, boom, here's a price that includes a certain amount of days rental, and then you could take it from there, okay? Whether it's food grade, commercial grade, whatever grade, go there. Thank you for watching. This is CryoFX. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.